My stew is popping. Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So, fasting is done. Now it's time for enjoyment. So, today I'm sharing my Salah stew with you guys. I hope you will enjoy with your eyes and you will like it. As I always say, no long talk, biao. EB2. Okay, let's get started. So I'm starting with my meat. I'm using hard chicken. I've added some diced onion to it. I'm going to add some blended ginger, onion, and garlic. I'll add in my stock cube, some Star Aniseed, and curry powder, bay leaf, black pepper, clove powder, chili powder, and salt to taste. I'm going to stir it very well and then cover it and let it cook till it's soft and tender. Because you know this is hard chicken, it needs time to cook. So I'll let it cook very properly. Now, while the chicken is on the heat, I have here my onion. I'm using red and white onion, and then I have some canned chopped tomato, some fresh tomato, canned tomato puree, some garlic, and scotch bonnet. If you've been watching me, you would know that I don't really like pepper. So if you like pepper, add more pepper to yours. So I'm going to blend the canned chopped tomato and the fresh ones together. Now I'm going to chop my garlic and onion and then set it aside. I'm done with it. Now I'll go and check my chicken. My chicken is done. It's properly done because you can see oil on top of the broth. Now I'm going to fry my chicken. I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown. I'm not going to fry it for too long because this is hard chicken. If you fry it for too long, it will be too trying and you don't want that. Turning it so that it can cook evenly. My chicken is done. I'm going to take it out and do the second batch. My second batch is done. I'll take it out and then start the stew. I'm going to use some of this oil to make the stew. So it's already hot. I'm adding my diced onion and garlic to it. I'm going to let it fry till it's translucent. Now it's translucent. I'm going to add in my tomato puree or tomato paste. I'll stir it and then let it fry for about 2 minutes. It's nicely fried. Now I'll go ahead and add my blended tomato. So with the blended tomato, I didn't add any water because the canned one is light. So I didn't add any water. I've also added some pepper, scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. I'll give it a stir and then let it fry till it's fried properly. So I'll be checking it, I'll be stirring it frequently to prevent it from burning, because you want your stew to fry very well to achieve the goal, you know. So I'll be checking it, stirring it. Now it's fried properly. You can see all the liquid in the stew has dissolved. I'll now add in my chicken broth I got from the chicken. It's very thick and juicy. I'll give it a stir. Now I'll rinse in the bowl and then add it to my stew because the stew is too thick. And I'm using hard chicken. Hard chicken needs to get the moist in the stew. So I'll add in some water and then add in my chicken so that it can get in the moisture, like the sauce and all that. all the juicy in the stew and help it get soft too. So I'm going to let it be on low heat to cook for a bit. In this case, stirring is very important, giving it a very, very nice stir. So it's been on the heat for some time now. As you can see, my stew is popping. As I said earlier, it's looking very, very nice, and the smell, it's amazing. The look, you can tell it's amazing. The taste, oh my goodness. Yeah, so I have some fried wagashi in my fridge. I'm going to add it to the stew to soak in some juice, and then serve it with my plain rice with some chilled juice. Rhyme. Anyway, Eid Mubarak to all Muslim Ummah around the globe. May the Almighty Allah answer our prayers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed with your eyes and you will give it a try, and I know you will love it. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.